Hi guys! How are you?
Do your hiccups.
They come out of They come in random moments. Give it a minute.
Look, it's Jeremy.
Jeremy!
Hey Jeremy, do you have a Facebook account?
My mom does, but I don't.
You know how to get on YouTube, right? You're
Yeah,
gonna be a star. You're gonna be on YouTube. Look, the Gatorade we've been drinking. The cookies that are over there in the trash can. Disabled.
We got the new GOOGYs!
Look, it's my feet.
We'll soon have Starbucks.
Ice cream.
Okay, hate hiccups. Soup.
Ariel.
Let me get you.
Thank you.
Ruth. Do something!
This protects Nikki's hair.
Nikki protection is good.
Deep nourishment. Protection!
I think that's
Kids,
terror.
use
I'm like,
protection, okay?
Protection in what, Mommy?
Protection with sex. And remember, kids.
And shampoo.
Kids, and that is and remember, kids. This is why we don't do drugs.
Don't listen to her. Watch the string. It's okay.
No, don't.
It's okay
watch
to
the
do drugs.
No, it's not. It's not. Then you'd end up like us. Ooh.
Like that. Like that.
Ow! That was my eye.
Swallow your mouth. Say goodbye to YouTube.
Bye.